Hello all. Welcome back to Excel skill. Let us learn how to calculate the EMI. We would be having so much of desire to procure any equipment or any device or to plan anything. For that we will be calculating the EMI. For example, I have the amount to get the equipment and the bank is offering at the rate of 6% and the duration of the months is 30 months. So now I want to calculate the EMI. So now how to calculate with this given information? Give equals and type PMT, that stands for principal, months and the rate. So now open the parenthesis, choose the rate and the rate is 6%, that needs to be spread according to the year. So we have to press the 12 and give comma, then choose the month. Again months is also spread across year. So now you have to give multiply by 12. We are calculating for monthly EMI. So you have to give 12 as your multiplication number. Give comma. Now finally you're choosing the amount that needs to be selected. Then close the parenthesis and hit enter. You could see the amount is in negative. In order to get this into positive, again click on that. Before the PMT, you have to type ABS. Open the parenthesis and close it at the end of the formula and hit enter. Your amount has been turned out to be a positive with the help of ABS function. Like this, you can calculate the n number of EMIs for your desired equipments and with the given sufficient information, that is amount, rate and the duration. So now in order to get the device for 5 lakhs, the EMI is 2997.75. Thank you for watching this short video. Do like, share and subscribe. Your subscription will be an added advantage to me to come up with many more short videos on Excel tips and tricks. Thank you.